Hello everyone, and welcome today to this audio podcast. This audio podcast as part of a siege Denote. This audio podcast as part of a speckle, or Lebostic speckle. This audio podcast as part of a Storm and Ostix syndrome, and this audio podcast as part of the journal, and this audio podcast as part of Storm Lebostic's production. In this audio podcast, I look at the research. I look at a research. I look at a research gap and a research approach, and a in around a research question, and in around the strength and limitations of a publication by Mohammed and team. Mohammed and team from in around 2023, looking at educational support surrounding CKD, chronic kidney disease, a qualitative inquiry. The publication was original research. So in as part of the research gap and approach, the publication looked to understand the importance of navigating healthcare systems in context of educational support for CKD recipients. In as part of the research question, the investigation looked to describe how CKD patients are managed between healthcare sectors with a view to collect qualitative data through semi-structured one-to-one interviews involving patients and involving recipients, CKD recipients, and healthcare professionals between healthcare sectors. The main research questions surrounded an investigation between CKD recipients and allied healthcare and allied healthcare professional perspectives. The publication was within the remit of patient and public involvement, and in as part of the use of and as part of the use of social media and healthcare. And as part of the strength of the publication looked at context through qualitative research, implementing an inductive content analysis approach. The publication looked to include applicable aspects pertaining to patient and public involvement, or PPI. The publication looked to understand challenges between four different cohorts, for example, CKD recipients, laboratory and healthcare scientists, and general practitioners. Again, the publication, as part of the strength of the publication, was within the remit of the RPSG, and within the remit of PPI. In as part of the limitations in the limitation of this publication. However, the most qualitative mo- like most qualitative research, the methodology implemented was sort of time constrained and had limitations. The publication unfortunately did not include data from those pertaining to nursing, nursing nursing and from nursing backgrounds, from nursing professional backgrounds. That draws this audio podcast to a close. This audio podcast as part of a siege Denote. This audio podcast is part of a Lebostic speckle. This audio podcast is part of a Storm syndrome. This audio podcast is part of the journal. This audio podcast as part of a Storm Lebostics production.